Today's video is all about healthy smoothie recipe that you can make right in the comfort of your home. And if you don't really know how to incorporate vitamin C, antioxidants into your smoothie recipes, then this will be a great video for you. So stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Keela J and this is Keela J TV. If you have not heard, one of the biggest things that have been combating is zinc and vitamin C, antioxidants, and just vitamins, period. Okay, here's a quick story to just illustrate how powerful these things are. My friend's mother and father both got sick. They both had coronavirus. The father ended up passing away from COVID, but the mother survived. And guess what they gave her? This is a woman who was in the same house as her husband who just passed away, and they prescribed her drugs, and it was vitamin C and zinc, and told her to eat fruits and vegetables. If that don't tell y'all something, come on. And I just pray for her family. Real quick, I want to highlight a brand spotlight. So this brand sent me some face masks and they are amazing. Like, oh my gosh, I love it. Look, I'm just gonna look at this. Literally. So I just put this one on for y'all to show you how it actually wears. It goes up, it covers your whole face. I can actually bring it up a little more. So Londi Roll was so amazing that I actually want to do a giveaway. So here are the 5 easy things that you need to do to enter the giveaway. Number 1, subscribe to the channel. Number 2, press the bell for notifications. Number 3, follow Londi Roll on Instagram. Number 4, follow my page keela.tv on Instagram. Comment below when you're done, and then I'll make the drawing next week. Okay? If you want to send in your product reviews, you can send them to this P.O. box right here, and I'll make sure to highlight them if it aligns with the brand, and So, all right, guys, let's get into the smoothies. All right, guys, so I'm in my kitchen, and we are going to start making the smoothies. You ready? Let's go. So the first item spotlight is acai. One of my favorites, nutrient dense, loaded with antioxidants, improves cholesterol, possible reduces cancer effects, and boosts brain function. I mean, come on, baby. Here's one that I just tried, but I'm so excited because of the great benefits. This is a little sour, but look at all these benefits, y'all. Manages your diabetes, delays sign of aging. Hey, ladies, promotes good digestion, and the list goes on. Berries are such a great source of everything. I love berries. They're my favorite thing to put in smoothies. Oh my gosh, berries are my favorite. I say that about all fruit, don't I? Good for your skin. Helps again protect against cancer. Are we seeing a trend in these fruits and vegetables, guys? Listen, stay subscribed and stay tuned to this channel to find out more tips to eat healthy. Greens are amazing. Now this is kale, but I do have to warn you, kale can be a little rough on your stomach. So you can also use something like just lettuce, just regular lettuce. Listen, as a vegan, lettuce is so important, and healthy dark leafy greens are so beneficial in my diet. Look at all these benefits, guys. Relieve stress, boosts brain function. It also helps with your hair, your skin, and your nails, and of course all these other benefits. Simply just water, filter water. So if you underestimated your water, honey, and if you're drinking soda all day, rethink that, because water is what our bodies are made up of. So why not feed it this good stuff, flushing out your toxins, maintaining regular. Some of y'all need that. Listen, don't be extra. Another great source is through chia seeds. Chia seeds have omega-3. Listen, my seeds are my plug. Look, loaded with nutrients and antioxidants and fiber and protein, and help you lose weight, and omega. Like, this is a superfood. Y'all get on these chia seeds and black seeds and hemp seeds. Great for omega-3 and omega-6. I'm so happy that we're learning about good things to put in our body. This is another one, flax seeds, loaded with nutrients, may reduce cancer, rich in fiber, and helps with your blood pressure. Now, if you're from the island, then you know about this. Listen, baby, let me tell you how I could not fit all the benefits of ginger on this screen. It is a superfood. If you can put this inside of your tea, your water, your smoothies, your soup, your juice, sneak it in your kids' food, because look, honey, we about to be healthy out here. All right, let's see what we have. Ooh, a yummy berry antioxidant, full of omega-3, vitamin C smoothie. Love, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with your family and your friends. I think they would appreciate it as we educate our people and our community and our friends and our loved ones, whatever it is. Be sure to stay subscribed and press the bell because there's a lot of cool things coming up and I don't want you to miss it. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.